Hey guys, TJ with Rock Chip USA and Windshield Fitters. Today I'm going to be showing you if this rain resin right here works with water and see how it holds after we dry it with ultraviolet light. Alright guys, so we're going to make this one wet and this one's going to be dry, and then we're going to try that rain resin to see if it works. So we're going to go ahead and pour some water on here. Alright, so the bottom one has water inside. Let me dry the surface a little bit. So as you can see, this has a lot of water in it inside the chip, and then this one does not. See the difference? Alright, so we're going to use the glass well soon to do this quick repair. Again, we're going to use our suction sealant. Make sure your suction cups are clean. And we're going to put it on the glass. So you want to zoom the camera here so they can see what I'm doing. So the tape's actually on the way, so I'm going to remove this out of the way. This is the non-wet one, this is the wet one. Put that on there, and I'm going to go ahead and put our glass well mirror so we can see what we're doing. And we're going to grab our rain resin and load it here on the glass well. Zoom. I'm going to be using 6 drops. Put your seal back on and make sure it's flush with that seal. There it is. And we're going to put that zoom on. And we're going to create a vacuum. And of course, let's not forget our UV shields. So we're gonna put that on. Right now we have it sucking the air out, and we're gonna go ahead and inject it. See what happens. Remember guys, this is full of water. So let's see if we get that milky white rock chip. You know what happens with regular resin when you put it in a wet rock chip, it gets all milky white. So I'm gonna inject it again. Alright, so now the chip's filled with the rain resin and water in it, and we're going to cure it on the pressure. We're going to put our glass weld light on, and we're going to plug it in to the battery. We're going to press the button and see if it dries. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the light off. This is stop blinking. I'm gonna have missed that one right there, maybe. A little darkness. Use a pit filler, seal the surface, put our light back on. Go ahead and remove the mirror. That's a pretty big rock chip. So there's that chip that we used the rain resin on. Let's test it to see if it worked. And it looks like it did work. Very surprised. I've never tried it with that much water in it before. So it looks like it does work. Wow. So yeah guys, the rain resin does work. This was full of water and it sealed that chip and it's not moving at all. So it does work on rainy days. So the part number on this is for Equalizer RR651. If you want to buy from Equalizer, you can also get it from Ultra Bond on their website. So again, this is the rain resin. It actually works. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like it, please press the like